2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.